Hello everyone, I am Hanan Al Musa from Palestinian schools in Qatar. Today inshallah I am going to explain period 7 from unit 1, Oh Hello, page 10. Let's start. At the beginning of our lesson I want to show you a picture. What have you seen here? Which book do you have seen here? I think you know it. Yes, it's a dictionary. What does a dictionary mean? It's a book that contains a lot of words with their meanings. Do you think that dictionary is important for us? What does the dictionary tell us? Let's see. Number 1. It tells you the meaning of the words. Number 2. It can also help you to spell words. Number 3. You find the words in the dictionary in alphabetical order. What does alphabetical order mean? It means the order of the words from A to Z. Now let's start with exercise 1. Put the words in alphabetical order. In this exercise we have some words. I want you to look at the first letter of each word and to underline it. After that you are going to see which letter that comes before. For example, nod and bow. The first letter of nod is N and the first letter of bow is B. Which letter that comes before, N or B? Then you can write the word bow, for example, as the first one. I will give you 5 minutes to do this exercise. Now let's see the answers. Number 1. Bow, hug, kiss, nod. Number 2. Bored, introduce, pleased, upset. Number 3. Important, smile, upset, way. Check your answers. Now exercise 3. Write correct sentences and questions. In this exercise we have some sentences and also we have some questions. We are going to write them correctly with correct punctuation marks. Don't forget to start the sentence with a capital letter and to put full stop at the end. And don't forget to start the question with the capital letter and to put a question mark at the end. I will give you 5 minutes to do this exercise. Now let's see the answers. Number 1. I have 2 brothers and a little sister. This is a sentence. We start this sentence by using a capital letter I and at the end we put a full stop. Number 2. Do you often play football after school? This is a question. We start the question by using a capital letter do and we put at the end a question mark. Number 3. We usually speak English in our English class. We start this sentence by using a capital letter and at the end we put a full stop. And also here we have English. The names of the subjects like English, Arabic, French, we put them as capital letter. The first letter of them we put it as capital. Number 4. My family and I sometimes go to Haifa to see my grandparents. This sentence we started with capital my and at the end we put a full stop. We have the pronoun I. When I use the pronoun I that refers to me, we must write it as capital letter even if it is in the middle of the sentence. And also Haifa is a name of a city, the names of the city and the names of countries. We must write the first letter of them as in capital letter. Number 5. Hello Pat, how are you? The first part of the question here we can write it as in capital letter hello and Pat here is a name so we must write it as in capital. After Pat we put a comma. After comma we put a small letter how. And here we have a question, how are you? At the end of this question we put a question mark. Please check your answers. Now let's read the information of writing skills. Punctuation in questions and sentences. Remember that questions end with a question mark and sentences end with a full stop. Thank you for listening. I hope you have understood the lesson.